Did you know that a food can both protect your heart and help control blood sugar? That's salmon. Not only is it delicious, salmon is also a nutritional treasure with abundant omega-3 content, high-quality protein, and many other essential nutrients. Let's discover why salmon is known as a superfood for health. 1. Salmon helps control blood sugar effectively. Are you worried about irregular blood sugar? Salmon can help you control this condition thanks to its high-quality protein and omega-3. Protein from salmon helps maintain muscle mass, reduces hunger, and prevents sudden increases in blood sugar after meals. In addition, omega-3 also helps improve insulin sensitivity, preventing insulin resistance, one of the main causes of type 2 diabetes. 2. Salmon, effective anti-inflammatory warrior. Our bodies always have natural inflammatory responses, but if inflammation persists, it can lead to a series of health problems such as heart disease, diabetes, and even other chronic diseases. This is when salmon comes into play. Salmon contains omega-3, especially EPA and DHA, which help reduce inflammation in the body. Studies have shown that eating salmon regularly can help reduce inflammatory markers such as cytokines and CRP, two factors closely related to chronic diseases. Thanks to that, salmon helps protect the heart and reduce the risk of complications in people with diabetes. 3. Protect your heart with salmon. Heart disease is one of the leading causes of death in the world, and your diet can determine your heart health. Salmon is the ideal companion to keep your heart healthy thanks to the following benefits. Reduce blood fat. Omega-3 helps lower triglycerides, a type of fat associated with heart disease. Stabilize blood pressure. Eating salmon helps lower blood pressure naturally, especially useful for people with high blood pressure. Prevent blood clots. Omega-3 helps blood circulate better, reducing the risk of stroke. Maintain healthy blood vessels. Salmon helps improve blood vessel function, preventing the formation of atherosclerosis. Adding salmon to your meals 2-3 times a week will help you have a healthy heart and significantly reduce the risk of heart disease. 4. Prevent diabetes. Complications with salmon. Diabetes not only affects blood sugar but can also lead to many dangerous complications such as heart disease, kidney failure, nerve and eye damage. Fortunately, salmon can help you prevent these complications. Reduce inflammation. Thanks to omega-3, salmon helps protect blood vessels from damage caused by high blood sugar. Strengthen the nervous system. DHA in salmon helps protect nerve cells, reducing the risk of diabetic neuropathy. Support a healthy liver. Salmon helps reduce fat in the liver, preventing the risk of fatty liver in people with diabetes. In addition, salmon is also rich in vitamin D, B12, selenium, and potassium, nutrients necessary to maintain overall health and prevent diabetes complications. 5. Secrets to preparing salmon to keep all the nutrition. The way you prepare salmon also affects the nutritional content you receive. To maximize the benefits of salmon, note, should be grilled, steamed, or lightly pan-fried. This method of cooking helps preserve omega-3 and nutrients. Avoid frying. High temperatures when frying can destroy omega-3 and create unhealthy compounds. Combine with green vegetables and whole grains. A healthy meal helps the body absorb nutrients better. Limit salty and sugary spices. This is especially important for people with heart disease and diabetes. 6. Conclusion. Salmon is not only a delicious dish but also a superfood that helps protect the heart, control blood sugar, and prevent dangerous complications. Adding salmon to your daily menu is a great way to improve overall health. So what are you waiting for? Start adding salmon to your diet today to enjoy the wonderful benefits it brings. Mackerel, a nutritious gift. From the ocean. Among the countless species of marine fish, mackerel stands out as a natural treasure, not only because of its delicious taste but also because of its outstanding nutritional value. Known as a miracle drug for cardiovascular and brain health, mackerel is a great choice for those who want a healthy diet. However, not everyone knows how to choose and use mackerel safely and effectively. Let's explore the wonderful benefits of this fish and important notes when enjoying it. 1. Mackerel, a nutritional treasure from the ocean. Mackerel is not only an attractive culinary ingredient but also a rich source of nutrition. The omega-3, vitamin D, and protein content in mackerel brings countless health benefits. According to research, 100 g of mackerel contains omega-3, 2,500 to 5,000 milligrams, helps protect the heart and enhance memory. Protein, 20 to 25 g, provides energy and supports muscle development. Vitamin D supports calcium absorption, helps strengthen bones. Minerals, calcium, magnesium, iron, help the body maintain stable activity. 2. Great health benefits of mackerel. 2.1 Control blood sugar, support people with diabetes. Omega-3 in mackerel helps increase insulin sensitivity, thereby stabilizing blood sugar. This is especially important for people with diabetes or at high risk of the disease. 2.2 Protect the heart, lower bad cholesterol, increase good cholesterol. Did you know that a diet rich in omega-3 can help keep your heart healthier? This fatty acid in mackerel helps reduce bad cholesterol, LDL, and increase good cholesterol, HDL, thereby reducing the risk of heart disease, stroke, and high blood pressure. 2.3 Strengthen the immune system. Shield to protect the body. Vitamin D in mackerel plays an important role in strengthening the immune system. When the body is fully supplied with vitamin D, the risk of catching colds and infections will be significantly reduced. This is the reason why mackerel becomes an indispensable food in changing weather days. 2.4 Enhance memory. Golden food for the brain. Memory decline over time is inevitable, but a reasonable diet can slow down this process. Omega-3 in mackerel helps improve memory, reduce the risk of Alzheimer's disease, and support brain function. 3. Important notes when eating mackerel. Choose small mackerel to avoid mercury. Although mackerel is a nutritious food, not all mackerel are safe. Large mackerel often contain a lot of mercury due to the process of bioaccumulation. Therefore, prioritize choosing small mackerel to ensure health. Proper processing to preserve all the nutrients. Mackerel can be processed into many delicious dishes such as steamed, grilled, or cooked in soup. Avoid frying too much oil to avoid losing its inherent nutritional value. Eat in moderation. Although very good for health, you should not eat mackerel too often. Reasonable consumption is about 2-3 times per week to maximize the benefits without experiencing side effects from heavy metals. Mackerel is not only a delicious dish, but also a natural medicine that helps the body stay healthy from the inside out. By choosing and preparing it properly, you can enjoy all the wonderful benefits that mackerel brings. Add mackerel to your menu today for a healthy and energetic life.